Hello, you're welcome. So, like I've said earlier, that I will send a video to explain how to use Laplace transform to solve certain problems. We were unable to hold a class last week because of your MTS 201 test. I think you remember that. Okay, so let's go straight to the business of the day. So, today we are going to use Laplace transform to solve first order ODE, second order, and then at the same time we are going to use this problem to solve a variable coefficient problem where we are going to obtain what is called Bessel function of order 0. So let's go straight to the point. Now, the first example on the board now, you can see now that we have dx dt minus 2x equals to 4. As you can see, the order here is what is 1. So this is actually first order, and it's actually, we can call it linear, and we call it initial value problem because we have the condition specified at the point. As you can see in equation 1, we have the problem subject to the boundary condition. So we're going to solve this one using Laplace transform. So like I've explained before, I said once we know how to find Laplace transform of a function, we know how to find its inverse. That is all. So we only need to use the knowledge to solve problems. That's all. So let's solve this example number 1 now. The first step we're going to do is this. We are going to find the Laplace transform of both sides. So as you can see here, we put Laplace of the first derivative. Don't forget linear properties of Laplace transform. It means that this minus 2 can come outside because it's actually minus Laplace of 2x, but minus 2 can come outside. So we have minus 2 Laplace of x and Laplace of 4. So what is Laplace transform of first derivative? You know that one. That is what we have on the board, this side that I'm trying to show you here. And what of Laplace transform of capital X, which is the unknown variable we are looking for? That is small x. What is the Laplace transform of 4? That is 4 over x. So that's all. Now the next thing is for us to group. Now look at this. Look at the condition. The condition we have at the problem is x of 0 is 1, which is the same thing as small x of 0 is 1. So we are going to replace this one with x of 0 is 1. So this one I'm trying to circle here. So by the time you change this one to 1, so you now have x of x, then minus 1, then minus 2 x of x. I've changed this x to x of x so that I can say clearly that it's actually depending on x for school. So it's equals to 4 over x. So what's the next thing now? Minus 1 will go to the other side. So if that is the case, then 2x of x, we can factorize it from this one. So you now have x minus 2 into bracket x of x. So that will give us 4 over x plus 1 over 1. So find the SCM. SCM is what? Is 2. So what we're going to do now is that you find the SCM down.